Alright, hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This video we will explore the push button. This right here is our push button. We will learn how to use this push button to control this LED. So let's see how this works. When I press the button, the LED will light up. So that's how our program works. Now let's quickly take a look at what we will need for this circuit to work. So we will require a couple of jumper wires, a breadboard, an Arduino Uno, two resistors of 220 and 330 ohms, an LED, and a push button. So let's start by plugging in our LED onto the breadboard. The LED has two terminals, the positive and the negative terminal. The positive terminal has a longer end. We will connect the 220 ohm resistor to the positive terminal of our LED. Once we've done that, we will connect the other side of the LED, which is the negative terminal, to the ground of our Arduino Uno. So we will connect this wire to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Once we have done that, we will connect the other side of the resistor to digital pin 11 of our Arduino Uno. So next up, we will take up our push button. The push button has 4 terminals. We will connect it onto our breadboard. So we will take up this end of our push button and connect it onto 5 volts on our Arduino Uno. Now we will take our 330 ohm resistor and connect it to the other side of our push button. Once we've done that, we will take another wire and connect it to this side of our resistor. Now this wire will go into ground of our Arduino Uno. Our last wire is drawn from the common end of the resistor and the push button, and it's taken into digital pin 8 on our Arduino Uno. So once we have connected that, we will be done with all the wiring and connections. This means that we will now take a look at the program required for this circuit to work. So this right here is our program. On top we have our 3 variables. In our void setup, we have defined the button as an input device and the LED as an output device. In our void loop, we have given the command for the button that when the button is pressed, it will trigger the LED to go on. So let's try uploading our program onto the Arduino Uno and seeing whether or not the circuit reacts as expected. Alright, so once we are done with writing down the program on the Arduino IDE software, all that remains is to upload the program after plugging in this USB cable onto the Arduino Uno. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. We will plug in this USB cable onto the Arduino Uno. Once we're done with that and this green light appears, we will know that our program has been uploaded. So let's try pushing the button and seeing whether our LED reacts. As you can see, when I have the button pressed, the LED lights, and when I remove my hand from there, the LED dims off. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the content. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like rating on this video. Other than that, you can find the code for this circuit in the comment section below.